Well, welcome back to the channel, Bike Explosion Rallies. I'm Andy. Got my new helmet, so we're going to open it up here. Let me get it in the box first. Right. Just chuck that down there. So, as you can see, we've got the new Atlas 2.0 and we got the Eagle. So let's have a look here in the backs, see what we get in the backs. Right, we've got a visor, square visor. That's the black visor. I've got a gold visor to go on it. Put that up there. I got the GoPro mount for the front, so we're putting that on. What else is in here? Let's see. Put that there for now. We've got some stickers from Ruroc. Instructions. Some food for later. Eagle Hawk, introducing the new motorcycle for us to do with the new Ruroc jackets that they do. Poster and a pin lock. Never had a pin lock before, so I'm hoping this will solve my fogging up problem that I have with my bell. So I'll try it on this to see what happens. I'll set the box to one side for a minute now. And right away you can tell it's very light. So let's get it opened up. Wow, sick looking that. The side. Oh, I like that. It's got like a matte finish on it, I think. So it's super light. It's got the feed lock, which is pretty cool. Just a magnet holds it in. It's got a chin guard. It's got the emergency release padding. Feels comfortable inside. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah. So I've got to get this helmet set up for going to Scotland. We're going to Scotland on the bikes. So we are on Saturday. Today's, well, it's Wednesday night now, so we'll go Friday night, Saturday morning. So we need to get the GoPro mounted on, get the mic set up inside, get the pin lock on the gold visor, which is this one. We'll get it opened up. No, it's not that one. That's the black one. This must be the gold one. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's the gold visor. So we'll keep the cover on for now. And then I've got the black one, which I'll put the clear visor into that there cover and keep it with me in the bag just in case I have to ride at night time. The dog out. Just in case I have to ride at night time, so I'll have the clear one with me. I'm not sure what it'll be like looking through the gold one. I'm wondering, is it like you know, the yellow sunglasses that you wear on the night glasses? I'm wondering, is it the same as them? I suppose with anti-scratch. That's good. Anti-scratch, anti-fog. It's got his pin lock ready, so just get the pin lock put onto that. And get the helmet all built up. We'll try it on, see. Let's try it on before we put everything on it, in case we're not keeping it. That would be an idea, wouldn't it? Alright. The fact the beard doesn't help. So see. Oh yeah, right. So you gotta get the magnet up into it. Feels like a good fit. Just need to get the beard sorted out. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's it right up. Yeah. So it is comfortable. Just look at that. Oh yeah, it is comfortable. Between the chin guard and that buckle, let me put my hat there for a second. That there buckle is, I might have to loosen it a wee bit or tighten it or whatever, just to make it, yeah, just to get used to taking it on. Yeah, so I know the Atlas 3.0 has come out, but they don't do that paint job, and that's the paint job that I wanted with a gold visor, so I had to go for Atlas 2. I did buy it with my own money, and whenever you're ordering online it says that their promotion code, so I emailed them to see would they give me a promotion code. Who actually bought this one, and my brother bought one. We sent them all together. Like, he got the Berserker one. We were going to get the communication thing for the back of it, and we asked them for a promotion code to get 5% off or 10%, whatever they give you, and they wouldn't give us any promotion codes, even though it's an old helmet. So we just said fuck it. We didn't get the communication systems. So I did want that helmet, like, so I says, right, I'll send for it anyway. Didn't take long to come though. I think it was 3 or 4 days it was here. So quite pleased with it, how it looks like. So be interested to see what it looks like when I get the visor and all on and GoPro and all on it. And then we'll have to do a test out in the road to see what the airflow is like. There's a thing in here for just underneath the chin, behind the chin guard, for opening and closing that front vent. I don't know if you can open and close them top vents or not. I'm not sure, I'll have to look into that. So I think maybe you can, not too sure. We'll see. Well, so I think these are just dummy vents on the side maybe, I'm not too sure. We'll see when we get out in the road anyway and see what see how it goes when we get out onto the road. Liking it so far anyway, so. Well, just testing out the helmet here. The gold visor on, and it's just like looking out through a clear one. I actually thought it would have been like looking through those yellow glasses that you get for driving at night time. Well, I can see plenty out through the helmet anyway, so I can. I can feel got the visor up like, but I can feel the air going over the top of my head, which is nice. So far the visor's staying nice and clear, no fogging up. Oh, so clear looking out through it too. Support this helmet. I really like that gold visor on it.